What's up YouTube, my name is Jeremy Biggers and I'm an artist based out of Dallas, Texas. And today I'll be painting one of Trykel's limited edition donut panels. I painted this for National Donut Day back in June and I realized I never posted it. The majority of the reason I never posted it is because I couldn't really figure out how I wanted to announce that I was one of Trykel's 2021 Pro Team Artist inductees. So here's that announcement. I'm one of Trykel's 2021 Pro Team Artist inductees. What does that mean exactly? It's similar to a professional athlete getting a shoe deal, except it's art supplies. I hate being sold to, so I'm not gonna do that here on this channel, and I'll never co-sign something that I don't actually support or actually use, but I use these brushes, and so if you're in the market for buying a new set of brushes, I can save you a little bit of money with my discount code, but obviously you're gonna have to wait until the end of the video to get that code. This is gonna be another pretty chilled, laid back time lapse. I'm gonna sit back and let you guys enjoy the process. Alright, so that's it for this one. Make sure you guys like and subscribe here on YouTube, and also consider following me on Instagram where I post all the things that I'm working on real time. Make sure you enter Biggers21 at checkout for 10% off your purchase of all Trykel branded items. And as always, ask yourself, what have I done today to help me live my dreams tomorrow? I'll see you on the next one.